Centipedes are found all over the world in a variety of habitats. They are commonly found in tropical and temperate regions, but they can also be found in deserts, forests, caves, and even in your backyard. They prefer damp environments such as under rocks, logs, and leaves, where they can find prey and moisture. Speaking of prey, what do centipedes eat? Centipedes are carnivorous, meaning they eat other animals. Their diet consists of insects, spiders, worms, and even small vertebrates such as lizards and frogs. Centipedes are efficient predators, using their venomous claws to paralyze and kill their prey before consuming it.